and take a look at the 2013 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.